Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, we do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, sometimes just makeup looks, just pretty much anything that is related to makeup and stuff like in beauty. And I guess that's about it. And what we are doing today is the Lashy Box unboxing for April. God, it's already April. This month, but this year has like flown by already. I can't believe it's already April. But spring is here and I am so happy for that. So I like it because I get to wear brighter colors. I don't know. I just love spring because everything's coming back to life. So Lashy Box is a monthly lash subscription. It does cost $12.99 a month, around $3 for shipping and handling, and you get around, like, the website says 3 to 5 pairs of lashes, but I have noticed with mine that I always get 4 pairs of lashes, and I normally get 2 makeup items. There for a while they was doing like 1 if you got a palette, but they've like recently went back to sending you 2, so I'm really happy with it. I really don't buy lashes anymore. I wait and I get my subscription, and these they're reusable and really good quality. They come in this little box. Well, since I talked to you guys last time, I am still having a lot of trouble trying to, my phone has been sent off for like over 3 weeks now. I've not got my replacement phone. I talked to them, I want to say like Monday or Tuesday. I think it was Monday. And this is like Saturday. So I talked to them Monday, and they was like, we just need like your contract. And he said it was progressing, be out in like with shipping and everything 5 to 10 days, and I should have it. They still ain't even sent me shipping information. I had to call back and make sure they got my information, and that guy said, well, I'm not even going to tell you when you're going to get it. But the other guy did say 5 to 10 days, but probably sooner with shipping. Still haven't heard nothing. No shipping information, no nothing. My new camera hasn't even got shipped to me. Now I've got to buy a new laptop. My laptop got broke. I'm having the worst luck, all in all. So, I don't know. Can't keep a vehicle. I don't know. I'm just having really bad luck with being able to record and stuff like that. But I'm going to record today on my husband's phone. So the color probably ain't as good quality as it normally is. He's got an iPhone 6. I have an iPhone 11, but don't have it, so which would be better quality to film with, which really I didn't even film much with my camera. I normally use my phone because I've got the Apple app and stuff to like, I can just like film and then edit on the all-in-one, but we'll get back to this since that's what we're here for. Okay. So, these are the Lashy Box lashes. These are the 3D silk lashes, and they are Lulu's. I like them. So, I do like these. Then, these are Ruby Maze Magnetics. These are the 3D lashes, which Ruby May and Lashy Box are owned by the same woman. So, let me take them out of the box so you can see them better. And these are Aiden. Which theirs is the Fake Mink, Flux Mink. These are gorgeous. I love these. Magnetics. You know, I'm still using like the glue. I don't really have like, I've got a couple pairs of magnetics, but normally I use my glue. I've been thinking about buying me some more magnetics. This is Beauty Creations Mini Pro Palette Volume 4. They're cruelty free, which Beauty Creation is an indie brand. They've got some stuff that I do like. I love these colors. That's right up my alley. So it's good for 24 months, cruelty free. And the packaging, I like the packaging. It's like really slick. It's that different material, and I like the black and silver. Goes good together. So it's got a good mirror, and these are my colors. I love purples and pinks. Okay, we're going to swatch these really fast. We're going to start with the top row. Ooh, these are so creamy. That white was like creamy. White Lies, Sugar Mama, Naturally Blonde, Chocolate Mocha. Let me re-swatch that. Okay. Spoiled Rotten, Miss Bossy, Dreamer. Well, that's awful close. Then the next one is Tap Out. I'm curious about this color right here. The Dreamer, I really like that, but it kind of seemed like it was kind of, I see what it is. Like when you first apply it with your fingers, which it might not even do that on the eye. You can see it's got like a lot of big pieces in it. I don't think it'll do that when you do it to the eye, and it's blending out. So I don't think it's going to do it. It's just got like big pieces of it, not breaking down, but it blends out perfect. So, and that was Tap Out. It's kind of doing the same thing, but when you blend it, it does what it's supposed to do. Until you get it on the eyes, swatching it, gives you an idea, but it doesn't actually tell you, like, is it going to work or not? Because I have seen some stuff swatch terribly, and then I get it on my eyes, and it does perfectly. And then I've seen stuff to swatch perfectly, and you think, yes, that's going to be good, and it's no good on the eyes. It just really depends on how it's going to blend with the brush and once it touches the skin and stuff. Okay, the last row is On the Rise, and I can feel how, like, it's got extra, I don't know if you guys can see, like, right in here, but it's blending out. Game Over. See, they're all about doing it. It's kind of like, it's really soft and creamy, but kind of coming off chalky. I don't know, don't make sense. Then let's just watch these right here. Simple Cated. That is beautiful. And the last one is kind of like Dreamer, just like maybe a shade, tad, like one shade lighter. But it is called Darling. These two are almost the same color. Okay, so I do like that. I cannot wait to try that. If you guys would like to see me film that, I'm like up for that, because I'm like ready to get back to filming, and I am so tired of not filming, because I want to make good quality videos, and I hate that I haven't been able like to produce videos like I normally do. Especially, like, I didn't even get to do my Fat Fit Fun Box. Last month, I didn't get to do Lashy Box. I didn't get to do Ear Flick. One of my Ipsy bags I didn't get to do. I filmed a couple of them, but end up losing them. And then by the time I got where I got them back, I thought it was too late, so I ended up not doing it. Okay, so this is Glam Collection, Athena Lash Company, and this is Celine. I love these, and I think I've used Athena Lash Company before. I'm not really for sure, but I think these are so pretty. I like a good long fluffy lash. Okay. So these are their 3D silk lashes by Lashy Box. These are spicy. We all need a little spice in our life. And I really like these. Okay. I think with Lashy Box, their own lashes, they're really good lashes. I might be, no, I wear them a lot. Ruby Mays, which is, same company. They actually have like lash books and stuff you can buy if you need an extra place to keep your lashes, to keep dust and stuff off of them. But love these. That was the wrong one. Okay, and our last thing is Mega Hold Magnetic Liner by Ruby May. Okay. So, oh, let me see. It doesn't say how many ounces it is or anything like that. It is a good size. It just comes in a wand like that. So it is supposed to be the magnetic, and I did put the magnetic lashes in the wrong thing. If I don't fix it now, I'll be trying to wonder why it don't work. Well, I'm confused. Okay, I'll figure that out. But I am already messed my lashes up. I had more lashes laying here. I'll figure it out in a minute. But all in all, this month, I am happy. I'm happy with the palette. I hope it works good. Besides that, I think that it's going to work all right. It did come off like a little chunky. I guess that's what you're going to call it. Like chalky, falling out. But I think it'll work once I get it on the eyes and get some primer and stuff to it. I think it will end up working out good. I'm thinking about doing a video of it because I'm just ready to record and play with makeup. So, but all in all, I'm very happy with my box this month. Love the eyeshadow palette, the liner, the magnetic lashes. Really, there ain't nothing I didn't like. I love getting new lashes, love getting new makeup. It's really nothing I can complain about. And for $12.99 plus, say, $3 shipping and handling. So you got around, like, say, $13, $16 in it, plus taxes. Really ain't that bad for 4 good pairs of lashes, plus a eyeshadow palette and liner. So, I mean, really, the palette itself, it's an indie brand. I think their palettes run between $20-some, $30-some dollars, so you know you are getting your money worth. And I think Lashy Box sells their lashes between like $10 to $15, if I'm not mistaken. I think same thing on Ruby May. I'm not really for sure about Athena Company. I'm not for sure how much they sell theirs for, but you can go to Walmart or Walgreens or anything like that and get 5 pairs of Adele's for around $10. They're great lashes too. I just like to have a variety of different lashes to match whatever I'm feeling that day, or to go with the look. Like a look like this, I want a bolder lash. Sometimes you want a smaller lash with maybe your just no makeup day. But I am happy with everything. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will put the link down below for Lashy Box. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. We would love to have you here. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.